Going to be a power-packed day ahead as the 48-hour deadline that was given by Arvind Kejriwal that he will be resigning as the Delhi Chief Minister ends today. And right after that, he is seeking that Delhi elections be preponed. And so as far as the Kattar Imandari ka certificate that he receives from the people of Delhi directly, that he perceives that he can become the Chief Minister of Delhi once again. However, that means that even when it comes to the remainder of the term, if the elections don't take place, there needs to be another Chief Minister. First, today there is going to be a legislative party meeting that will be taking place at his residence at about 11:30. And at 4:30 p.m., he sought an appointment to meet with the Delhi Lieutenant Governor. However, the eyes will be on who will be the next Delhi Chief Minister, because there has been a lot of buzz and speculations. Will it be Atishi? Will it be Saurabh Bhardwaj? Will it be Gopal Rai? Will it be Kailash Gehlot? Or will it be a completely new name altogether? Who will be his successor? There are many front runners there as well. BJP, meanwhile, is accusing Arvind Kejriwal of trying to push the Lalu Rabdi model on the national capital. However, saying that there are stringent bail conditions that have been put forth by the Supreme Court by granting him bail. Exactly why didn't he resign from the day when he was placed under arrest? Multiple reactions coming in.
उन्होंने पीएसी यानी कि पॉलिटिकल अफेयर्स कमेटी की मीटिंग बुलाई थी, जिसमें पार्टी के वरिष्ठ नेता और मौजूदा कैबिनेट के सभी मंत्रीगण मौजूद थे। मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने सभी वहां पे मौजूद नेताओं और मंत्रियों से 1-to-1 नए मुख्यमंत्री के विषय में चर्चा की और कल विधायक दल की मीटिंग होगी।
This particular decision of his does not stem out of morality. It actually stems from, I would say, political selfishness. Having said that, if he's very serious about having elections in Delhi, then why did he not dissolve the assembly? He made a categoric statement that the assembly is not being dissolved. He's not serious about having elections in Delhi early. Having said that, of course, the BJP is completely ready.
अब उनको साफ कोई से उनमें से निकलना चाहता, जनता निकलने नहीं देगी। जनता ने सब पहचान लिया है और आने वाले दिल्ली के चुनाव में अरविंद केजरीवाल को भी जितना ठोकना पड़ा जनता को, जनता ठोकेगी।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के साथ जो कुछ पूरे दिल्ली में हुआ, एक चुने हुए मुख्यमंत्री को जेल में रखना, फिर सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने क्या कहा? सीबीआई को कहा कि आप प्रूव करिए खुद को कि आप पिंजरे का तोता नहीं है। ये सीधे सीधे प्रधानमंत्री के चेहरे पर तमाचा है। केजरीवाल जी जो भी फैसला कर रहे हो, दिल्ली में भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कमल नहीं खिलने वाला है।